Hello guys! Welcome back again to Digital Era. For today's video ay i-share ko sa inyo kung paano maglagay ng username sa ating mga Facebook account. But before we get started, please don't forget to support my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell for you to be updated on my next video. So without further ado, let's get started. First guys, open natin yung ating Facebook account. And then from here, itap natin sa tatlong horizontal line located on the upper right corner. Scroll down natin and then sa settings and privacy, itap ulit natin sa my settings. So once na nandito na kayo sa page na ito, under account center, punta tayo sa my personal details. Alright, so itap natin and under profiles, makikita rin natin dito yung mga connected na Instagram accounts natin if ever na meron. Then, tap natin yung name ng ating Facebook. So, ito yung pinakauna. So, dito, itap natin sa my username. So, dito guys, nakalagay, pag change natin yung ating username, it also change your Facebook timeline address. So, mag-iiba rin po yung link ng ating Facebook account. Then, from here, itype natin yung username na gusto natin. Say for example, Provinciana. Okay, so username is not available. Ibig sabihin, meron nang gumagamit ng username na ito. In choosing a username guys, i-consider din natin yung uniqueness. Unique username that reflects your identity or brand. Then make sure din guys na yung ating username is easy to remember. And then relevance din siya. Ensure it aligns with your purpose or brand. So, i-consider din natin yung consistency. Pwede tayong gumamit ng same or similar usernames across different platforms for better recognition. Say for example guys, meron tayong Instagram account, meron tayong YouTube channel, so pwede natin gamitin yung parehong username para hindi tayo malito. And then, i-consider din natin yung length, keep it concise, and avoid overly complicated usernames. At guys, iwasan din natin yung mga special characters. So, mag-stick lang tayo sa letters, numbers, or underscores for simplicity. So, mag-go back tayo dito. Once na nakapili na tayo ng available na username, makikita naman natin yung green sa may right part na naka-check. Then, itap natin yung done dito sa may lower part. At antayin nating ma-save yung ating bagong username. So, kung gusto nating ma-check kung nakalagay na ba yung ating username, mag-go back tayo, itap natin yung arrow dun sa may upper left corner. Okay, so punta tayo ngayon sa ating profile picture. And from here, itap natin yung tatlong dot dito sa middle right corner. At sa lower part, makikita natin dito yung your profile link. So, ito na guys yung ating personal link on Facebook. So, dito sa ating Facebook link, nakalagay na yung ating username. So, customize na guys yung ating link sa Facebook. Alright, so ganun lang guys, kadali maglagay ng username and then mag-customize ng link. So, that's all for now and I hope you've learned something from this video. If you have any other questions regarding it, feel free to send me a message below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. See you on my next vlog. Bye!